So when you see me put this line here, you know, that's the first thing I'm starting to signify to everybody is that we're starting to make a higher high. This rotation, you'll note often that once we start on a 5-minute chart, this rotation, you've got to be very careful that we've got traders who may be trapped now. Yeah, the playbook is boring. So here's our angel, here's our demon back here. We've got range trading right now, and there's a little double. That's all we know. On light volume, we had minus 800 ticks before. Look at your chart, RTH. You know, I mean, this is on the money. It takes time to rotate through these ideas. And here's our daily chart. So the jury's not out. Anybody that's got 58s, 59s, that range, you know, we said a good possibility that a lot of traders aren't going to be taking the shorts. They're not going to be buying the dips, but we wanted to. We said we would be better off today fading highs than buying dips, because we're not going to just go flying down, and it's my belief we're not going to just go roaring up. You know, market needs time to digest all this and figure out what it wants to do. So if we go back to something like our Globex charts, you know, Zeke is absolutely right. We still have an open gap here at 52. And for now, we said, you know, the other day, that would be supportive until broken. So for now, we've got short still on the hook. So we had a breakdown. We had a major target of 55.5 to 54.5. Those were our primary targets. We had a little overshoot, and we've got the lunch bounce. So now the afternoon is up for grabs, and this would be a retest. You know, the overnight low. It's right up here. So anybody that is taking scalp shorts this afternoon, sure, you're still out. You know, best shorts, obviously, from the highs, the ones you really don't want. Everybody hates the double tops, a marginal high, a couple of ticks. But those are your best edges. And if we're looking at angels and demons, these are ideas generated from the other day, regions that may or may not be supportive. Now, I haven't touched these lines. So I like the idea today that we had a reason to suspect possible pullback, but don't overthink it. And quite honestly, anything below the 55 I felt was gravy. Still feel that way. Here's our NQ. Take a look at your 60 over here. You know, we'd calculated a couple of different ideas. We got back in and we said this 93 area should be a pretty big area. Sure enough, it was. Hey, hamburger helper, you're right. Well, I said, you know, I mean, sustain ourselves. That's the goal right now. You know, we could be complaining that all we had was a 6, 7, 8 point range. At least we've had a little meat here to work with. Keep an eye on your 120s on the TF. Kind of an important area. I've had there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 days, 11 days, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15-day range. Anyways, it could be the lows in. It does not have to be. Sometimes we'll get the over and under when this, really comes down so low. I told you before, I thought that we were lucky to already be down here into the 54s. We could go any low, but then you get a little reversal here. This kind of surprises a lot of shorts who just wanted a completely down day. And we can't. We just can't go straight down. It's not going to happen. Put this on a 10. That's why it can't happen easily. The bigger players are looking at a 10. They're looking at a 15. They're saying, you're kidding me, right? What are you going to do with that little pea shooter of yours, shorts? So my guess is good possibility the lows and highs are in for the day already. We shall see. Anyways, lunchtime. Don't overtrade it. Don't overthink it. The real key will be this afternoon. Profits get taken. We can slide back down and come back in and check into the 55s one more time. For now, this is a double.